So my type is low energy. Low energy is type 4, type 5, and type 9. High energy people is type 3, type 7, type 8. These people are very high energy. They are constantly on the go, constantly working, constantly on in projects, constantly being with people. So um, sometimes I'm low energy until I am lacking of action and implementation. So to overcome it, I need type 3, type 7, type 8 to be with me, or be with other people, other types that who get things done. Then you will have more energy. Okay, if you join many projects, if you have not many projects, you have some projects because of responsibility, then you have more energy. Okay, energy needs to be exercised. You need to constantly be in that energy flow. It's tiring, and sometimes I need to relax and uh, charge by being alone. And alone time is very important for me. So it has to be like 50% of alone time and 50% in the projects, and constantly be with people. It's really difficult, but anyway, if you do this, it's better than low energy, because low energy will create lack of action implementation. If you want implementation, if you want this more, of course all of us need it, so you need to do this one. Okay, so you need to analyze things based on theory 20% and implement practically for 80%, do projects. So these days, after I decide something, I try to do it rather than study more on the theory side, even though I still do it. But I will be in the projects, but when I be in the projects, I will do more practically. Okay, so because of responsibility, you need to guide people, so you need to constantly keep everybody on track. You have to do practically. And from the practical part, in order to do it better, because you need to solve the problem, some people cannot do it, some people cannot focus, then you go back to the theory part. It makes everything go smooth. And at the same time, you need to see the results and celebrate the results and know where's the progress and inform everyone the progress. Then you can keep on going on. Okay. So the next one is share too much or less to people. Now, how to overcome this is focus on projects. Ask yourself, should you share your knowledge or what you're understanding? Sometimes, or many times, it's not that you share it and they don't know how to do it. You have to lead by examples. It's not only lead by examples, you need to make them do it. Okay? I start to understand that people are not able to understand grab things as fast as we do. When we explain it, they can do it actually. But most of the people, they don't care about the moral or ethical thing, because it they have an age because of the knowledge. So they tend to share lesser, but they do not know that when you share more, you learn more. So it's a really a struggle for me, like what to share, what not to share. It's really hard. Okay, what's the end result of sharing? What and who and when others can benefit? This thing can be overcome if you do proper planning. Okay, so the next one is understand that sometimes chaotic can bring better results, and hang out with people more. Drive projects and write out plans to know how can a system work. Yeah, you need to really tell yourself that yeah, it's very chaotic, but you learn better if you join the groups and be with others. Because see, when you do practically, because you need to guide others, because others cannot get what you say, so you need to go to theory, how to solve their problems. You learn even more eventually. But at the same time, if you want to be more effectively and understand the whole directions, because it's overly chaotic, you need to write down the plans and how can a system works. I have some workbook shit. Um, this one is from a government from Australia. Now this is part of the psychotherapy. I find it very useful. Maybe you can use it as well. But it seems like distress, but I found that this one can be used in many different ways as well. So I do not create this one. You guys can go to this website, and for example, um, like this is the distress page, problem solving. So this is the page that I keep on telling you, the problem solving that I tell you just now. I keep on telling that there's doing write down the plan. So you can see that step one, what you need to write down. Step two, what you need to do, the options. So you need to spend more time in understanding the options and find out the solution through your reading, through your research, and put it down here. And then ask yourself what's the advantage and disadvantage about it. Okay, you have to narrow down to the preferred solution and analyze it step by steps and decide on the plan, which one to do and when, and implement a plan. So this is the way that I use to overcome the problems that I told you just now. This is a very good worksheet, and I really recommend that we would do it. And in my future videos, I will do this as well. Please subscribe my channel and give thumbs up so that we can discuss and on all the possibilities. Okay, potential solutions, decide on plans. This is a really good worksheet. Okay, even though it's for distress, facing your feelings. I also use this one to solve my emotion needs so that I can feel calm all the time and working on your problems and write down the plans that I mentioned a lot of times in my here. Write down the plan. So that is the worksheet that I mentioned. What is the write down the plan? Write down the plan. Okay, that being said, so today uh it's about like the weakness and how to overcome that. So these are part of the weakness that I have identified so far, and also these are the workable ways to overcome this weakness. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe and keep thumbs up to support me so that I can make more future videos. And also please leave some comments. Please try to give something constructive or just give some support and leave some comments so that we can um, solve more problems. Thank you.